Several benefits from Giga casting. So number one, on an economic scale, making one piece rather than having to design, source, manufacture, transport and assemble up to 150 different pieces is a clear benefit. There is a greater flexibility in design as well, so you can design a single piece Giga casting to incorporate many different features that previously would have been difficult to achieve through multi-material assemblies. Giga castings are a challenging piece on many levels. Number one, certainly for the automotive industry, they are the largest castings that has ever been produced. Previously, castings were the mainstay of cylinder heads or cylinder blocks or subframes or suspension uprights or large parts but not big parts. So there is a scale there that has had to be understood and then realised. But also the difference in Giga castings from those traditional castings, i.e. you have very thin walls, you have very long sections, you have different material property requirements, you have different alloy composition requirements in order to facilitate the actual casting, the filling of the part. And then the approach to how those parts can be heat treated, how the parts can be machined, just down to how the parts have to be handled, is not just a different approach, but it's a different mindset to what the industry is used to been working with. Giga casting machines are expensive and they take a long time to make. The tools that go in the machine are also expensive and take a long time to make. So if you're an engineer and you're working in a body structures environment within an OEM and you have a design as part of the vehicle architecture strategy and you need to support your pre-production builds and do functional validation at a component level or a system level, is it feasible to spend 10, 20, 30 million dollars on a Giga casting machine to go and prove a concept? I don't think it is. So what we can achieve in sand casting is allow our customers for a fraction of the price and lead time to see into the future, to have as close to production representative parts as we can deliver, and take those and do the component level, do the system level, do the vehicle level testing to validate the designers, to validate the concept, to validate the product, which then gives the data and the confidence to be able to make the decisions to make these multi-million-dollar commitments to move into the high volume production Giga casting machines or Giga casting dies or whatever may be needed to take it forward.